NASA announced that there is life underground on Mars. NASA has made an announcement that has left the world reeling with excitement and awe. The space agency has declared that life has been discovered underground on Mars, sending shockwaves across the scientific community and igniting the imaginations of people everywhere. For centuries we have gazed up at the stars, wondering if we are alone in this vast expanse of the universe. And now, with this groundbreaking discovery, we have taken a giant leap towards answering that age-old question. The discovery was made by NASA's Mars rover, which has been tirelessly exploring the red planet's surface for over a decade. After analysing data and conducting experiments, scientists have confirmed the presence of life in the planet's subterranean depths. But what is this life that was discovered? What exactly was found living on Mars? Well, get ready to be blown away by this incredible discovery. Let's get started. What kind of life did NASA find in underground caves in Mars? NASA's recent discovery of underground caves on Mars has been nothing short of awe-inspiring. And the possibility of finding life forms in these hidden cavities has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. After years searching, NASA has finally unearthed a treasure trove of secrets hidden beneath the Martian surface, and what they found has left them reeling. So, how did NASA discover these underground caves on Mars? The answer lies in a technology called ground-penetrating radar, GPR. This cutting-edge technology is used to detect buried objects beneath the surface of the planet. The GPR technology used by NASA is a powerful tool that works by emitting radio waves into the ground. These waves penetrate the surface of the planet and bounce back when they encounter different materials, such as rock or soil. By analysing the strength and timing of these waves, scientists can create a 3D map of the subsurface, revealing hidden structures and features that would otherwise be impossible to see. Using this technology, NASA was able to detect a network of underground caves on Mars, deep beneath the planet's surface. These caves are vast, labyrinthine networks of tunnels that stretch for miles beneath the surface, and they offer a tantalizing glimpse into what lies beneath the red planet's barren landscape. They are thought to have formed billions of years ago, when volcanic activity created large voids in the planet's crust. Over time, these voids were filled with sediment and lava flows, creating a complex network of tunnels and chambers that are now buried deep beneath the surface. The discovery of these underground caves is a monumental achievement for NASA, and it has opened up new possibilities for the exploration of Mars. Scientists believe that these caves could be a potential source of water and shelter for future missions to the planet. They also offer a unique opportunity to study the geological history of Mars and to search for signs of life that may have existed in these underground chambers. As NASA scientists explored the caves, they made a shocking discovery. Life. In the inky darkness of these underground caverns, they found a plethora of tiny single-celled organisms that have been surviving in near total darkness for millions of years. The organisms, which appear to be a type of moss, were found growing in small clusters, clinging to the cave walls and ceilings. This discovery has left scientists in awe, as it opens up the possibility that Mars could be home to other forms of life, both above and below its surface. But how did these organisms survive in such an inhospitable environment? Mars is known for its harsh conditions, with temperatures plummeting to -80 degrees Celsius, and its atmosphere devoid of oxygen. To survive, the organisms likely rely on a process known as lithotrophy, where they obtain energy from rocks and minerals. These organisms, unlike anything found on Earth, are a testament to the resilience of life and the adaptability of nature, even in the harshest of environments. They are able to survive in environments that would be inhospitable to most forms of life, and they have evolved unique biological mechanisms that allow them to thrive in these extreme conditions. While this discovery is truly groundbreaking, it raises even more questions than answers. How did these organisms come to be on Mars in the first place? Did they evolve on the planet, or were they transported there by meteorites? And if there is organismal life, could there be other forms of life thriving on Mars, waiting to be discovered? These questions have fueled a renewed interest in Mars, with scientists and space agencies across the world eagerly awaiting the opportunity to explore the planet's underground caves and unlock its many mysteries. It's clear that the discovery of organisms on Mars has opened up a whole new world of possibilities, and it's only a matter of time before we uncover even more secrets hidden within its rocky terrain. The discovery of life in these underground caves has profound implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It raises tantalizing questions about the possibility of extraterrestrial life and the potential for finding life on other planets. The fact that these organisms were found in underground caves on Mars is particularly intriguing, as it suggests that the planet may be capable of sustaining more complex forms of life in the future. If life can thrive in these dark subterranean environments, then there is a good chance that other, more advanced life forms may exist elsewhere on the planet. Can humans now live on Mars? The discovery of these underground caves is significant for a number of reasons. First and foremost, these caves provide a safe and habitable environment for life forms on Mars. The caves are shielded from the harsh radiation and extreme temperatures that exist on the surface of the planet, and they offer a stable environment with access to water and nutrients. This means that if humans were to colonize Mars, they could potentially live in these underground caves and be protected from the harsh conditions of the surface. But the discovery of these caves also raises a number of important questions. How did life forms survive and thrive in these caves? What kind of life forms are they, and how do they compare to life forms on Earth? And, most importantly, what does this mean for the potential for human colonization on Mars? One possibility is that these life forms evolved independently on Mars, meaning that life on Mars is not simply a product of contamination from Earth. This would be a monumental discovery, as it would suggest that life is not unique to Earth and could exist elsewhere in the universe. It would also suggest that Mars has the potential to support complex life forms, which could have profound implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. However, it's also possible that these life forms are the result of contamination from Earth. NASA has been sending spacecraft to Mars for decades, and it's possible that these spacecraft have inadvertently carried microorganisms from Earth to Mars. If this is the case, it would not necessarily mean that Mars has the potential to support complex life forms on its own, but it would still be a significant discovery and could have important implications for future space exploration. Despite the many unanswered questions surrounding the discovery of life forms on Mars, one thing is clear. This discovery has opened up a whole new realm of possibilities for human colonization on the Red Planet. The potential for living in these underground caves offers a tantalizing glimpse into the future of space exploration, and it's likely that we will see a renewed push to send humans to Mars in the coming years. But there are also many challenges that must be overcome before humans can successfully colonize Mars. The journey to Mars is long and dangerous, and the conditions on the planet are extremely harsh. The development of new technologies and innovations will be crucial in overcoming these challenges, and it will require a significant investment of resources and funding. Despite these challenges, the discovery of life forms in underground caves on Mars is a breathtaking and mind-blowing achievement that has captured the imagination of people around the world. It has reignited our sense of wonder and awe at the vastness and complexity of the universe, and it has inspired a new generation of scientists and explorers to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we continue to explore the caves of Mars and search for signs of life on other planets, it's important to approach these discoveries with a sense of wonder and curiosity, but also with a deep respect for the complex web of life that exists throughout the universe. Thank you for joining us on this expository adventure, and subscribe to this channel now to stay updated with more incredible discoveries from Mars. We'll see you again in the next one.